The toolpath of face mill zigzag operations can be contained to a specified face when using blank geometry, or 3D IPW. Additionally, trim boundaries may be used to contain the toolpath in edge cases. These features can be accessed by opening a face mill zigzag operation from the Operation Navigator tree. Under Main, Containment, the blank can be set to either blank geometry or 3D IPW. For this first example, we will select blank geometry. The current blank can be visualized by navigating to Geometry and clicking on the eye icon next to Specify Blank. In this instance, the blank consists of 3 individual pieces of material. In the Containment tab, a dialog called Contain Blank To has been added. The user can choose between None, which is the original behavior, and Cut Area. With None selected, the toolpath will generate in all places where there is blank geometry. However, the user also has the option to contain the toolpath to the selected machining surface. The selected face can be visualized by clicking on the eye icon next to Specify Cut Area. After selecting Contain Blank To, Cut Area, and regenerating the toolpath, it is now contained to just this singular cut area. Now we will show a second example for a 3D IPW workflow. For such a workflow, the blank for an operation will be based on all previous operations. While the selected cut area is identical to the first example, blank is now set to 3D IPW. Therefore, the blank, based on the 2 previous rotary roughing operations, looks different. Like in the first example, with Contain Blank To set to None, the toolpath won't be contained to the cut area. However, even after selecting Contain Blank To, Cut Area, and regenerating the toolpath, it will still generate everywhere. This is because this functionality only works if the parts of the blank are completely separated. If the cut area is connected via the blank to other flat areas, NX will still try to automatically machine all areas. To overcome this limitation, the user can specify trim boundaries. This feature can be accessed by navigating to Geometry, Optional Geometry. Clicking on the icon next to Specify Trim Boundaries opens a dialog. In this example, we will set the selection method to Curves, select the edges of the cut area, and set Side Trimmed to Outside. Now, after clicking OK and regenerating the toolpath, it is contained to the specified area. Overall, with this functionality, users can easily and reliably contain toolpaths to specified machining surfaces in various cases and workflows.